Hello, would you want to register your company for just 2,000 dirhams? Well, let me tell you, it's not possible. Not because I don't want it, it's because there is no such an offer. Even in the cheapest free zones, even in the farthest places, the company registration will set you back with more than that. So if you don't want to be scammed, don't fall for cheap offers because they don't exist. There is a good chance that the people who offer you 2,000 dirhams for a company registration, they will just run away with your money. They have never intended to register a company. So don't trust the amateurs, don't trust the scammers. Go with a reputable company. We are always here for you. Please click on the subscribe button, and I'm going to be sharing with you all the inside tricks and know-hows of registering a company in Dubai.